Hello everyone, welcome back for another edition of Cooking with Varun. Today I'm making something very simple. All it requires is assembly. It's called a ceviche in South America, crudo in Europe, but essentially it is fresh fish and a few other ingredients. Today I'm using salmon. So what I have here in terms of ingredients, this is fresh salmon over here that's chilled, and I have some pickled radish. This is going to be used as a base, and that's been pickled in some sugar, salt and vinegar, and of course some water. I also have some tobiko, which is fish roe, and some fresh Alfonso mango, because it's mango season in India. I have some orange segments and some diced avocado. So I'm going to use all of this and put it together with a ponzu sauce. A ponzu is essentially a citrus soy sauce. So if you don't have a ponzu sauce at home, you can make it easily with some soy sauce and some orange and lemon. Just mix them all together. So all we're doing is assembly, like I said. Let's get started. So we toss in all of our ingredients in a bowl. So I've got my salmon, the mango, some avocado. I'm going to throw in the tobiko as well, and my orange segments. I'm going to use about half, but I'm going to use half for the plating later. So that should be good. Now with this, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the citrus ponzu, or the ponzu sauce, which is citrus soy. That should do it. And all we're doing here is giving it a bit of a toss. Light, healthy, and freshens you up. So there you go. You want to give it a light toss. Don't stir it too much because you'll break down the ingredients, especially the avocado. So that, I think, is good to go right there. And that's it. We're going to serve this up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.